Today in Marine Engineering 101, we will feature one special job that every marine engineer should know. Join our resident machinist, Dimas Awidan Jr. in showing us the procedure of valve seat grinding. Step 1. Prepare the cylinder head by thoroughly cleaning the surfaces. Remove dirt, oil residues, and wipe with clean rags. Step 2. Fix the turntable foundation through tack welding. The temporary fixture will minimize movement and keep the work table in place, reducing the possibility of imbalance during machining. Step 3. Assemble the Chris Marine VSL type valve seat lathe into the cylinder head. The Chris Marine VSL type lathe can grind on a 30-degree preset angle. It is equipped with a carbide cutting tool that will remove burrs and pittings on the valve seat surface. Make sure to properly insert and lock the machine into the cylinder head. The bottom lock will pull the main shaft downward and shall hold the machine in place while the cutting piece rotates around the valve seat surface. Step 4. Adjust the cutting tool to touch the base into the valve seat surface. Remember, the initial cut needs to be fine as possible, hence adjust the cut to be not too deep into the seat. Once initial cut was established, reset the tool bit to the deeper portion of the seat as the new starting point. Step 5. Once the cutting tool is in the starting point, lock the feed lever to allow the automatic feed to engage. Once started, the machine shall cut from inside going outwards. Step 6. Switch on the power for the machine and gradually adjust the frequency knob to control the speed of rotation. As per experience, cutting frequency value at 4 to 5 creates a better fine finish compared to the faster RPM of the machine. Operational tip: use air pressure to remove debris on the surface while machining. This will serve as cooling for the tool bit as well. Step 7. Continue cutting until the tool bit completely grinds the outer surface. Recheck to assess surface conditions. Mark the deeper portions and focus the next cut settings on that area. Continue the process for the remainder of the valve seats, keeping in mind the main criteria for grinding. Also, Check the maker's manual for the grind limit and tolerances for cutting on valve seats. Help us continue creating more by sharing and liking this content. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more maritime and marine engineering contents. Thank you for watching. This is Marine Engineering 101. Work smart, know better.